Is there an equivalent of Memtest86 for CPUs? I need an easy way to do system stability tests. I have come to rely on Prime95, which does a fantastic job of proving stability, or instability, very quickly, but it requires an OS installed. I would like something like Prime95 that stresses both CPU and RAM, maybe CX bus also, but runs in a nice bootable binary like Memtest86 Plus does, so I can boot it from a thumb drive. Does such a thing exist?
As it was said, UPT4Win with the integrated Prime95 is a good solution. For a lighter solution you could use this Linux distribution, Stress Linux. Stress Linux is a minimal Linux distribution running from a bootable CD-ROM, USB, VMware or via VIP. Stress Linux makes use of some utilities available on the net like Stress, CPA-Burn, PitTemp, LM_sensors, Memtest86 Plus. Stress Linux is dedicated to users who want to test their systems entirely on high load and monitoring the health. But you should be familiar with command line and AMP, Linux console, because it comes without a graphical user interface. Update. You could also add Net Framework to UPT4Win to use Intel Berntest, works with AMD too. I don't have it properly tested yet, but it should work. Add the cab file for the Net Framework, plugins and GT, add. Just uncompress Intel Berntest in a directory like c:\my_UPT4Win_custom_files and add this directory in custom column, include files or folders from this directory. If it doesn't work or you want to create shortcuts, you could find instructions and AMP tools here. Robbed how plugin and Royalbox's Bart's P plugin creator here.
You could use Ultimate Boot CD. Download and burn the ISO into a CD or put the contents into a bootable thumb drive. Boot from the CD/thumb drive. From the options, which has several tools, you could select mainboard tools and then stress boot test from there to stress test your CPU. Check this for the list of tools available in this ISO.
Another possibility is overclocking.
You can run something like BARP. There is even a version that has the plugins already installed called UPT4Win. Sure enough, they have Prime95 in there as well. And it can run from a USB stick. Based on info here, it appears the second method is the better/easier one. YIMF. Enjoy, and happy computing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.